Okay, Blair, there's the hole. So there's your lines, and then there's the pipe. So it looks good. Shoot, it took like a half hour.
4-inch drain pipe, it's cast iron. It's about a foot into the ground, and that's where we're going to attach all of our new fixtures to, so that the waste can drain into that 4-inch pipe and then out to the sanitary. We've outlined on the floor where things are going to go, and now I'm going to show you a couple different ways you can make the holes that you need to make. This is a hammer drill. It has a spline drive. That spline drive allows for this thing to be a pretty potent weapon when it comes to destroying concrete. We've got maybe 5 or 6 inches of concrete here. Some basements you'll only have 2 or 3. So that difference in depth will make it easier or harder to make your make the holes using a drill. 2 or 3. Over in that area it was about 3 inches.
1, 2, go.
Alright, I've drilled 3 holes using a pretty good quality hammer drill, and this is about 5 inches of concrete. So it took me a little time. If you wanted to continue doing this, you just keep drilling holes around. This would be fairly slow, but you can do it with just a hammer drill instead of a jackhammer. Once you've got your holes drilled, you start drilling sideways. And you basically honeycomb this all out, and then you whack it with a fairly decent sized hammer, and it'll start to fall apart. Next thing, we're going to show you how to do this with a jackhammer, which is much easier and faster. Demo hammer is a great tool, but there are a few things you should know. It comes with a fairly heavy cord coming out of it, so you should use a fairly heavy cord to keep it rolling, to get the maximum power out of it. Let the device do the work. You don't need to push down on it. You just let the weight of the device do the work. And also, once it has broken through, stop allowing it to run and pull it back up. You might want to use some gloves. If your hands get too close to the edges, you're going to wear holes in your hands fairly quickly on the edges here. It's a great device. It works really well, and you can get one at any rental. They'll tell you more about how to run it. Always wear safety equipment like goggles and earplugs. As this device breaks through the cement, it changes pitch and it starts to get a softer sound. That means that you've gone through the cement. Don't let it keep on going down. It'll jam itself in there. Pick it back up and move it over. Outlining where you want to cut is a good idea. As you can see, we started over here with a hammer drill. That's really slow. This is much faster. So I'll do a little outlining right now and show you how that's done. Always keep the device away from the cord. Once you've outlined it, then you can start breaking it out.